Yippity yay! Irish stew!
Hey, happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm playing my Irish whistle, and why not? Hey, I bought this in Ireland, by the way. That's kind of cool. In Dublin. Pretty cool. So, what should I do today on St. Patrick's Day? It's chilly outside. I just played the Irish flute. What else can I do? I'm wearing a green shirt. If you can't tell, if you're colorblind, I'm not sure. I think I'll make an Irish stew, because I am kind of hungry from all the flute playing. Let's make an Irish stew. I'll show you how to do it. So first thing, you want to sear your chunks or cubes of beef. You can use lamb or whatever, even ground beef you can use, which is kind of weird, but really traditionally it's cubed beef or lamb. And we're going to season this and then sear each side in the frying pan. Okay, I got the chopped beef into the frying pan and I'm going to add some seasoning. Alright, so during the seasoning process here, I'm going to put some salt, black pepper, and some garlic for now. Okay, while that is searing, I'm going to chop up the vegetables. What do we got here? Celery, carrots, a pepper, some mushrooms, and onion, of course. But before I do, I'm going to get myself a beer.
Did somebody say Irish stew? Huh. I think I smell it. I could smell Irish stew cooking. I'm gonna have a closer look.
Hey! Here I am in the kitchen. Now where is the stew? I don't see nothing. I see vegetables here though. Those go into stew. Look at that. But they're not even chopped up. So where is the stew that I smell and that I heard? Oh, here's a crock pot. Look at the crock pot. Is there any gold in it? No freaking gold in it, and there's no stew. Kind of freaking Irish stew place is this? Oh, my nose is leading me over there. Aha! I found cubes of meat, the beginning of stew. And where's the chef around here? I don't have all frickin' day. I'm gonna put this into the crock pot. I'm assuming that's where he would like it. And I know best because I'm Irish. I'm a leprechaun. And, oh, what have we got here? Oh, I thought I heard this. Hey. Oh, you know what? I can't wait for these to be chopped up. It'd take forever. So I'm gonna just go, and then, oh, I didn't chop. Why not? Perhaps I need to play the magic flute. The magic chopping Irish stew flute song to make these be instantly chopped. How about that? Ah! Ta-da! Wow, that worked like a charm. Look at that. They're all chopped up pretty and fine. And they're going to go into the pot where the stew was searing. You're going to put the onions and you're going to put the mushrooms and the celery and the peppers into the pan. Cook for a little bit. Ooh, what is that? Oh, I hear something. Perhaps I won't be doing this. I gotta get out of here. I hear someone coming. So, perhaps I can come back and have some stew when it's ready. Oh my god. Okay. Oh yeah, good beer. What the hell? Who chopped up my vegetables? And the cubes of beef are already in the crock pot? How strong is this beer? I only had a couple of sips. Holy cow. Yeah, the pan's empty. I don't remember doing this. I put the beef in there. Man, this is good beer. Wow. 2 sips and you're drunk. Great. Well, look at that. Pompous ass beer. So yeah, what they do in Ireland, or some people, they use Guinness beer. So this is kind of close to Guinness. It's cheaper and it's got the same flavor. So I'm a cheap bastard, so I'm putting this in there instead. So, well, I don't know how I chopped this stuff up, but I guess I did. So, first of all, I'm going to put these carrots into the crock pot where the meat. They're going to join each other into the crock pot. And then I'm going to saute the onions, celery, and peppers and mushrooms. So the great thing about searing the beef first, you can use the seasoning in the pan and the beef flavor to saute all your vegetables. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks amazing. Look how great that looks. Gonna saute this till those onions are caramelized and it's all gonna take on that beef flavor. Oh, it smells so good in here already. Okay, great. Now while that's sauteing, I'm gonna cut up this bacon and fry it in a separate pan. Oh, I almost forgot. I gotta put potatoes in there, right? It's not Irish stew without potatoes. So I'm gonna chop these up and stick them in the crock pot and then cut up that bacon and fry her up. There, I added the chopped potatoes into the crock pot like I remembered. Oh yeah, it smells great. Amazing. If you could only smell it. But trust me, it smells great. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour, some tomato paste to this mixture and mix it. Because that flour is going to give you that gravy to your stew. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're going to add some spices to this mixture of vegetables. And a bouillon cube with some water and beer and Worcestershire sauce and some thyme and some cayenne pepper, and I'm gonna cheat and put this beef stew seasoning in there. Oh yeah, I love Worcestershire sauce. It's great with beef. And now for the beer. Just like a half a can, I guess, right? Oh, good stuff. Pouring this into the mixture. That kind of helps loosen the stuff in the pan as well, right? And it'll make the beef, I believe, tender and just gives it an Irish taste, I guess. Alright, I just boiled some water a little bit. And I'm going to dissolve this bouillon cube, a beef bouillon cube, in here and add it to the crock pot. And then we're going to add another at least 3 cups of water to the crock pot. Because that's how you make stew. There, I just poured in the dissolved beef bouillon cubes into the crock pot. And I added a couple more cups of water. I think I need another cup at least. Yeah, you just gotta eyeball it, right? Depending on the size of your pot. Well, now that this is all ready, I'm gonna pour this into the crock pot as well. Yeah, it looks good. See that? When you add the beer to the pan, it all just comes right out. It's phenomenal. And, it does, you know, it helps having a non-stick pan as well. There, I'm gonna pour a bit more water in there. Now that looks a bit more right. Now you just mix it up with a nice wooden spoon or any kind of spoon. Blend it all together. Okay, now that it's all in the crock pot, we want to set the crock pot to temperature high, and then for 2 hours. And that's it. On high for 2 hours, and then after that we'll put it on low for 4 hours.
Oh my god, it's past 9 o'clock and dinner's not even ready yet. It's been long after 6 hours. I can't take it any longer. I'm gonna go have some.
Oh man, it smells absolutely amazing in here. Oh, the aroma. It's been long enough. The stew's gonna be ready. Let's check it out. What the? Huh. There's a leprechaun on my pot. What are you doing?
Hi, top of the evening to ya. Or is it morning? I'm not too sure.
Never mind top of the evening. You're on top of my pot. What the hell are you smoking?
I thought I'd have a little wee puff. Would you like to try?
Oh my god, this leprechaun's on my pot. Smoking pot. Can you believe it? Can you get off the pot? And the pot? Like, come on, I need time to eat.
What? Oh, far out, man.
And since it's St. Patrick's Day, and you're probably got the munchies, I'll give you a bowl of stew. So come on, let's go. Oh, it smells fantastic. Let's take a look. Oh, wow, look at that. Beautiful. Oh man, look at this. Beautiful, hearty Irish stew on St. Patrick's Day. Nothing better. This smells amazing.
It looks fantastic. I can hardly wait.
Oh man, it smells amazing. Oh man, it smells amazing. Now here's the test to see if I succeeded at making... Oh crap, I forgot to put the bacon bits in here. Oh well, he doesn't need it. You can or cannot add bacon bits to it. I'm sure it'd be probably even better with bacon, but this is going to be more authentic Irish stew. So here we go. You don't need bacon. It's not even missing the bacon, but the bacon would put it over the top. But it's just phenomenal. Hey, leprechaun.
What?
It's great. You're gonna love it.
Oh.
Help yourself. Get a bowl and come on in.
Okay, thanks, man.
Oh God. This is gonna be fantastic. Thanks for having me over for dinner.
Yeah.
How'd you get so big? You were just a tiny little thing a minute ago. Well, don't you know? I'm magic. I can just snap my fingers and be small and big anytime I wish. Yes, it's wonderful being a leprechaun, I must say. Oh, really? Well, that's kind of handy. Pretty cool. Must be awesome being a leprechaun. Dig in. Oh man, this looks fantastically delicious. I can't wait. I am starving. Let's try this out. Mmm. Woo! Just like me mothers. So good. Mwah. Hey, what did I tell you? Fantastic, right? Very good. It's so good, eh? So good. Just so freaking good. I think I'm gonna play a song. Just play a happy St. Patrick's Day Irish stew song. How about that? You know what? That's a really good idea. Let's celebrate the stew with our Irish whistles and play an Irish song. Let's make it up as we go. I'll start first. Let's see. Hey, that was excellent. How about this after? Great. Yay! That was so wonderful. I'm so happy now. I must do a jig. Let me do a jig as you play your whistle. Yeah, do a jig. I'll play along, play something, and you do a jig. How about that? Oh, this will be so fun. I can't contain myself. I must do a jig. Oh, wow, look at that. You got a tambourine. How'd you do that? Hey, I can do anything. I'm a leprechaun. I can make things appear and disappear. Now, start it off. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay! Happy St. Patrick's Day. Let's get eating. Oh, that was smart. Hey, that was fun. This is awesome. Having fun, having dinner with a leprechaun. Amazing. You're gonna love this stew. It's gonna make you want to do a dance, do a jig, and play an Irish flute. So, I'm gonna dig in, have a drink of beer on this awesome St. Patrick's Day evening. Cheers, leprechaun.
Yes.
And
Sláinte.
good eating.
Hey, thanks for watching this show, and we'll see you on the next Road to Rock.
One, two, three, 4.